Welcome to our video on making money by building and selling AI-powered apps without any coding required. In 2025, understanding this technology is crucial for future entrepreneurs. No-code platforms are revolutionizing how we create applications. They allow anyone, regardless of coding knowledge, to build sophisticated apps easily. To succeed, you need to pinpoint lucrative niches where AI can solve specific problems. Consider industries like healthcare, education, or finance. Follow this step-by-step guide to build your first AI app. Start with defining your app's purpose and move to design and deployment. Explore various tools and APIs to add AI capabilities to your app, for example, natural language processing or machine learning endpoints. Conduct thorough market research to validate your app idea. Utilize surveys, focus groups, and competitor analysis. Craft a compelling sales pitch that communicates your app's value clearly. Highlight the problem it solves and its benefits to potential users. Consider various pricing strategies like subscription models or one-time purchases to maximize revenue. Research similar apps to gauge competitive pricing. Effective marketing is essential for your app's success. Utilize social media, content marketing, and influencer partnerships to reach your audience. As we move forward, the future of AI-powered apps presents lucrative monetization opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs. Start your journey now.